Hi there, and welcome to episode 6 of our MPC Studio Masterclass series. Now, in this lesson, we're going to be adding some lead top line melodies using our internal plugin instruments inside MPC Studio to add some even more textures to our track. So to start setting up for our lead lines, what we're going to do is we're going to navigate to our next track. So use the data wheel and we're going to go to track 8, which has already been named within inside your masterclass, which is called lead line. And then if you press shift, program select, and again, make sure that you've got plugin track type selected. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go to the mode button and we're going to open up the program edit window on our software. So press mode and then pad 6, and this will bring up the interfaces of all of the plugin instruments inside MPC. So when you press program select and turn the data wheel, you can now see all of the different instruments that we've got preloaded within our masterclass. So we're going to select the sound that says future lead, and this is what we're going to be using for the first part of our top lead line. Now we're already in our chromatic mode. So again, if you hold down shift 16 levels, you can see that we're in chromatic and we're in a key of C and we're in natural minor. So this is the same that we used on our bass lines. So now everything's set. We're going to hit record and play and put down our first melody. Now we're going to go to track 9 and add our top lead. Shift and program select, we're on plugins, program select to select the instrument, and we're using LA plug. So let's hit record and lay down our top melody. Now let's press track select. And we're going to go to track 10 and use Odyssey to add some additional synth layers. On our next episode, we're going to be adding some vocal textures and chops over our track. So see you on the next lesson.